Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we have got a subscription unboxing. We haven't done one of these in quite a while, so we are going to do this one today, and I'm thinking maybe I'm getting this up before everybody has theirs up. So we're going to go ahead and play our intro. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. We have got the August Boxycharm. Who's excited, right? This month was really, I'm not gonna say like controversial, but kind of. A lot of people were either like super happy or like really upset about this box, and there weren't very many in betweens. But we've got some exciting stuff. So first things first, the theme is Life of the Party. We have got 6 items. And this is variation 1. So we're putting that over there. The first thing we have got is the Laura Lee Party Animal Palette. Now this one, I checked it to make sure it's not busted. It is still in the plastic, but I already have it. So this is going to be going in my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and put this right there real carefully, and I'll be giving it away to one of you guys. So we are actually just going to use the palette I already have today. I have done a look with this before. It's not meant to really be a standalone, but we're going to try again and see if we can do a little bit better this time. I have a better idea of what I actually want to try. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump in with drinks right here. This is the orange. This is a really unique shade that you don't see in very many palettes. And I'm just going to take this in my crease like so and try to build it up, blow it out, make it super cute and very neon, because that's what it is. So we're just going to build this up kind of slowly and make sure there aren't any super harsh edges that we aren't going to cover up in a minute anyways. And yes guys, go ahead and clock me. I need to get my eyebrows done. We're doing it tomorrow. And that is just a thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other eye and be right back. Okay, so next we're going to go into bottoms up. I'm not going to make the mistake I did last time, and I am going to use some Fix Plus with the shade this time. So we're going to pick up a pretty generous amount here, spritz it just a little bit, and then pack it all over the lid just like so. And this does really help with the pigmentation. There is a lot of fallout, so we may have to redo our concealer, but it's alright. We're gonna make it work. First off, we're gonna lay down this first layer with our finger, I believe, just like so, and then we're just gonna shape it up with the brush to get more of the feel we really want. So we did that, and now we're just going to kind of work on a better shape with the brush. So just like that, and then taking a little bit more and pressing it down and making kind of a, obviously not a cut crease, but giving us just a better shape. And getting rid of this fallout right here, which is super easy to brush off. So I'm going to do that on the other eye real quick. And again, be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt this and see if it works. I want to take a little bit of It's a Party right here and pick it up on a small packing brush. And it is a matte, so this probably seems weird, but I'm going to spray it and put it in my inner corner, just like so. So I can get that little bit of this kind of yellowy lime green feel right there. Then on our lower lash line, I am going to take a little bit of Karaoke right here, and I'm going to line that up really close to the lash line, just like that. Then I'm going to flip this brush and take Damage Control, and I'm not going to take a whole lot of it. I'm going to dip it in a lot and then tap it off and just kind of blend out the lower lash line with this, just like that. Okay, so now the only color I haven't used is Hungover right here. And I'm going to take just a little bit of this on this angled brush, tap it off, pack it just kind of in this outer corner, just to give me a little bit of dimension, but not enough to do anything too crazy. And this is actually turning out very similar to the look I did in my other video on this palette, but that's okay. And we're just going to tap it and blend it a little bit and get that little bit of a dimension in this outer edge here. And then we're going to touch up, oh Jesus, we're going to touch up this pink on the lid, just like so. And that's it for the eyes. Okay, so to go ahead and continue on the eyes, our next product is by Bang Beauty. This is a chocolate eyeliner. Not the world's biggest fan of brown eyeliner, but we're going to try it anyways and see what happens. So I'm going to take this thin eyeliner brush I have here and just pick this up and attempt to do a little bit of a line, but not like a wing or anything. So just dabbing it across here. Just like so. And I know y'all can't see this very well, but it's applying okay. Obviously, this is not the best eyeliner choice for this look. I would not recommend these two together, but the liner seems to be pretty pigmented, and even though I don't have the best brush in the world, because I lost my good eyeliner brush, it's still working alright. So we're just putting it on here, just like that. And yeah, this is a decent eyeliner. I'm not into brown, like I said, but it's alright. Okay, so the next thing we have, I'm not going to put on because these are probably going to be given to a friend. I got these House of Lashes in Temptress. These are super big, they're super dramatic, and they are totally not going to work for my hooded eyes. They're gorgeous, but they're just not going to work. So the last thing I guess we got in the box that I can actually use is this lippy, but I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara first. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is put on, I got the Smashbox Bee Legendary Lipstick. This is kind of a reddish orange. Again, with most of the things this month. Now, I'm not unhappy with the box, but I don't really use regular lipsticks, so we gonna see. Okay, definitely not really my favorite color. Probably would like this better with a more neutral look, but it is pigmented. I just slapped it onto my bottom lip, kind of, you know, tapped them together, whatever. So the next thing we've got, I have 2 more things in the box. I told you there are 6 things. So we've got the palette, the liner, the lippy, and the lashes. So the next thing we've got are these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. These are probably really nice. I'm not going to use one today because I have a different brand. I have like 100 of these. But these are definitely really good masks. They help depuff, make your under eyes look super nice. And then our last thing that I got in my variation, some people got a different one. I got the August New York Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, which I need to take better care of my nails. Y'all know I suck at taking care of them. So this is something I'm definitely interested in. As far as nail polish goes, August is one of my favorite brands. We're going to see if it stinks. It doesn't stink, so that's good news. But yeah, so that is everything we got in the box this month for variation number 1. It is a super bright box, of course. I mean, it's called Life of the Party, right? So yeah, that is my Boxycharm for August. We've already gotten one spoiler for September, and we also know that in September we will have the first Boxy Luxe box, which I'm so excited about. So we will be getting a pretty vulgar eyeshadow palette that looks like a bird cage, and it's super cute. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.